Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Eazy-Tech Solutions. So in this particular video we are dropping today, we'll be talking about how to add your domain name to Cloudflare. Alright. So adding your domain name to Cloudflare have a lot of advantages. So one of the advantages is that it offers an extra layer of security to your website. So it makes your website more secure, and then also it offers speed. All right. So once you add your website to Cloudflare, so your website will be more faster to access. All right. This is the domain name we'll be making use of this particular video. So let me just copy the domain, and then I'll go to whois lookup. So this is whois.com. So I'll come over here and say there, I'll click on this enter domain or IP address. So I'll paste, then click on whois. Okay, so as you can see right now, if you come here under the nameservers section, you will see dns1.namecheaphosting.com. They also have dns2.namecheaphosting.com. So with this information right now, you will know that this particular domain name is hosted on Namecheap. Okay, so but if you add your website to Cloudflare, that information will not be made available because it will not be showing Cloudflare DNS over there. So it will be difficult for anyone to know that you are hosting your website on Namecheap platform. Okay, so that is a very security features, because hackers will be able to make use of such information if they are trying to hack into your website. All right, so let's dive into the video properly so that I will show you the various steps you need to take on how to add your website to Cloudflare. So the very first thing you need to do is to visit Cloudflare website, which is cloudflare.com. So I'll be adding a link on the description of this video. So once you visit their official website, so you have to create accounts. So but for me, I already have accounts already. I don't want to take us through the process of creating another account. So it's a very easy process. So I will come over here and click on login to log in my account. Okay, so I've logged in my account now. So once you have successfully created and logged in into your account, all you need to do is to locate this particular plus sign over here that say add. So I will click on add. So on this particular section that say connect a domain, so this is where we're going to click. But if you want to register a domain name, so you can also purchase a domain name from Cloudflare. But for me, I already have a domain name I want to connect to Cloudflare already. The domain name is on Namecheap, so I purchased the domain name using a Namecheap platform. So I'll come over here and click on add a domain. Alright, so once I'm here, I'll go over to Namecheap to copy the domain name. So this is the domain name here, so I'll copy. Then I'll come here and paste. Alright, so once I've successfully pasted the domain, so I'll make sure you select this particular quick scan for DNS record. Okay, so what this particular option means is that so it will automatically retrieve the domain name configuration, so you don't need to manually configure the DNS record. Okay, so it will automatically retrieve those information for you. So I'll scroll down and click on continue. Okay, so once you are in this particular page, so you have to select the plan. Okay, so you can start with their free plans, or you can go for their pro plan, which is $20 per month, or you can go for a business plan, which is $200 per month, or the custom plan. So whichever one you choose, but for me, I'm making use of this particular free plan, so I'll come here and click on free plan. Okay, it said our system may have or missed or common record or blah blah blah. Okay, all you need to do is to come over here, come to the bottom, and you will see that you will see all the DNS record which is on that particular domain name. All right, so all you need to do is to scroll down and click on continue to activation. Okay, so this is a kind of instructions you need to follow on how to connect the particular domain name to this Cloudflare. Okay, so log in your DNS provider, mostly like your registrar. Okay, so your registrar is Namecheap, so this they already detected that this domain name I'm adding to Cloudflare is on Namecheap platform. So if you purchase your domain name through a reseller, Aegis, Squarespace, use a separate DNS server. Okay, so I will just scroll down. I will have to scroll down. So this is the information I need. So I will need to copy this particular um, information here, copied. Then I'll go over to Namecheap. Then I'll click on manage. Okay, so once I click on manage, you'll be directed to this particular session. So all I need to do, as you can see right here, this particular domain name is currently using Namecheap web hosting. So all I need to do is to click on this DNS, on this custom DNS. So let me go back and copy this information. So I will come here, copy this one, and I'll paste. Then I'll come here again and copy this other one. Then I'll come here and paste. Alright, so once you have successfully pasted the Cloudflare DNS, all I need to do is to come here and click on save. Okay, so that's all you need to do. So it's going to take a while for them to recognize the DNS change. So let's say like 30 to 1 hour. So it depends. Most times not up to 30 minutes. So once you have successfully copied and then make changes to the DNS record of the domain name, so the next thing you need to do is to scroll down and click on I have updated my name servers. Okay, so that's it. That's all you need to do. So once the propagation is complete, so you will get an email notification that okay, your domain name server has successfully changed to that of Cloudflare. Okay, so I will need to pause this video right now and come back once the DNS has have changed. Okay, so as you can see, this email I just received from Cloudflare not up to 5 minutes, and I got this email saying, okay, this is the content of the email. Cloudflare network is now boosting. This is the domain name, spread, okay, speed and security. So I've successfully added this particular domain name to Cloudflare. So as you can see, it's very easy. There's nothing difficult on to do here. All right, so let's click on overview. Okay, say your domain is now protected by Cloudflare. Your web traffic is browsing through Cloudflare, meaning your website or app load faster with caching speed and traffic service. Attack on boots are mitigated by security products. Data is encrypted with SSL/TLS. You can customize how HTTP traffic is handled with roles and workouts routes. Okay, not sure where to start? Follow our learning path. Okay, so we have successfully added this particular domain name to Cloudflare. All right, so let's check all the DNS that this particular domain has right now. So let's go to record. Okay, so scroll down. So those are all the DNS record which Cloudflare extracted from the domain name. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to add uh, a domain name to Cloudflare. All right, so let's go back and check the whois record of this domain name now and see if the DNS record have changed. Okay, so we'll go back. Let me copy it into this domain name. Then I will click on, I'll paste. Let me paste. Although it's going to take a while to change the name server. So if we like check the whois record now, this information might still be there, but let's just check, because at least it's going to take let's say 2 to 3 hours for this information, the DNS record, to change on the whois record. So let's just check. Okay, as you can see, it's still there. So let me pause this video now and see. I'll come back once this information has changed to that of Cloudflare. Okay, so I waited for a few minutes and I refreshed the page. See, the name server has not changed. So I know this is going to take at least like 30 to an hour before these changes will take place, but I need to end this video right now. So but that's how easy it is to add your website to Cloudflare, and you will start benefiting all the numerous features and advantages which Cloudflare provide. All right, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if today is your first time of coming across our videos on YouTube, please do well to subscribe, click on the like button, and also comment and share our video. Thank you very much as you do that.